Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 3 of the quarter. This is the honors chemistry schedule, but it's going to be the same schedule for college prep chemistry. You guys are just going to have different assignments. So the assignment titles are even going to be the same, but your assignments are going to be different from each other. So this week, we're going to continue with our discussion on chemical reactions, and we're actually going to wrap it up. So for the next 8 weeks of this course, or for the next however many weeks, we will be doing 1 unit per week. And that's how we're going to kind of make the layout for the rest of the year. So hopefully that's helpful and it helps you guys kind of keep things organized between weeks. So what you're going to do is on Monday, you're going to start with an ed puzzle, and it's 6 chemical reactions that changed history. And then you guys are going to do an evaluate for balancing chemical reactions worksheet. So what you're going to do is that worksheet looks like this, and you're going to have different chemical reactions that you are going to balance. So you're going to balance these ones, and then you're going to write the chemical formulas for these ones. So when you're writing the chemical formulas, make sure that you pay attention to what your diatomic molecules are, or when it says that something burns in air, it's talking about O2, oxygen, okay? If you have any questions about balancing chemical reactions, Bozeman does a really good video kind of walking you through step by step for students who are having a really difficult time with reactions. So the next thing that you're going to do on the next day, and that's going to be on Monday, and that's going to be due on Tuesday. So the next day you are going to be doing an ed puzzle, and that's going to be on types of chemical reactions, and then types of chemical reactions card sort. So what you're going to be doing with this is you're going to see that there's a table, and the table has 3 different columns. The first column is what are the types of chemical reactions. The second column is your balanced chemical equations. And then the third one is for you to explain what's going on in this type of reaction. So give me a definition. So then down here, you're going to see all of these different cards, and these are going to be draggable. So you're going to take that card and you're going to drag it up to a square, and then that's going to be one type of reaction. So you're going to categorize all of these different cards based on the 5 different types of chemical reactions. Okay, that's going to be based on this video that you watch through Tyler DeWitt. Then after you've finished that, you're going to have a CK12 reading on different types of chemical reactions. It's lots of different CK12s. Just glance through that, any refresher that you need through the CK12 that you maybe didn't get from the types of chemical reactions video, and you're going to answer some questions on that. That's going to be a Google document, and that's going to be due on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Now, if you are in class on Tuesday in class, you're going to actually be down here. This is your Friday, your in-class day, and you're going to be doing a chemical reactions lab. If you are a student who is not in class, there's going to be a video link in that lab for you to be able to complete the lab on your own. But if you are in class on Tuesday, you'll be doing the chemical reactions lab. So you will have a little bit of extra time to get your assignment done for Tuesday, since it's going to be some more time, so you can have a little bit of extra time. Then on Wednesday, you are going to do another ed puzzle, and then you're going to do a quick explore where you're going to be doing you're going to do a simulation, and in that simulation, you're going to follow that simulation, which is this link right here, and then you're going to answer these questions right here. And so the lab has been laid out for you in a really organized manner. Okay. Then after you've done that, you're going to do some CK12. You're going to actually have 3 CK12 assignments. It's going to be 7.2, 3, and 4. So if you go to 7.2, and that's going to be linked in your Schoology. 7.2, you're going to do your reading right here, take some notes, and then do your view practice. Something that's helpful in these CK12s is these videos right here. So if you need some more information, go ahead and watch these videos. You're going to do your practice. Once you have completed your practice up here, instead of saying assign, yours is going to say turn in, and make sure that you've turned that in. Okay. And so that's going to end up being your Wednesday assignment. And then Thursday is going to be a breakdown of everything that we've done. So you're going to have a review video a review Edpuzzle video on reactions, and it's going to go over some very important notes. I will point out the fact that if I have typed in some specific note, think that that might possibly show up around here for your quiz. Then you're going to have your review, and then after your review, you're going to have your quiz. Please get your quiz finished by Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. And then your Friday assignment is going to be due by Monday at 10 a.m. And that's going to be your chemical reactions lab. So most likely, if you were in class earlier this week, so Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, you will have already had that completed by then. So you might not even end up having anything on Friday, depending on how it looks, how your week looks. Now, I am going to make all of these links live right away so that you can complete them at your own pace. So if you get it finished early, then you get work done early. And then the last thing that you're going to have to do is your lab. If you have questions, please make sure that you reach out. I'm always available through email. It might take me just a little bit of time to respond, but I will definitely get back to you if you have any questions. So just let me know.